Hey there, dermatology fans. Today we're going to take a look at two popular YouTube doctors, each of which are great in their own way. We'll show you some examples of the procedures they do and have you vote at the end which one you like better. First, we have Dr. Vikram Yadav, one of the original and best YouTube doctors. He may not be as famous in the United States as he is in the rest of the world, but famous nonetheless. He works in New Delhi, India, and treats a large variety of conditions. Here's a clip from one of his more famous videos. But he treats everything from bee stings to scabies and more. Here's some clips of things similar to what you might see. He also does educational material for up-and-coming doctors and has about 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. So there's Dr. Vikram Yadav. Next, we have Dr. Sandra Lee, who is considered the face or figurehead of popular dermatology. Here's a clip from the show The Doctors. Sandra Lee, aka Dr. Pimple Popper, sticks mostly to blemish-related conditions on her YouTube videos, and tends to avoid things such as abscesses. Here's some content similar to what you might see on her channel. She has hundreds of thousands of loyal subscribers, and she tends to be viewed as charming and well-spoken. Well, there you go, two of the best YouTube doctors. So which one do you like better? Dr. Vikram Yadav or Dr. Sandra Lee? Comment below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got new content all the time. Hey folks, to get rid of skin blemishes the right way, get a blemish removal toolkit. This is the best one we could find. It's great quality at a reasonable price. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for easy traveling, and a great variety of tools for all your skin needs, including a lancet for precise punctures when necessary. Using an extractor like this one is the easiest and safest method that reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. So take care of your skin like a pro and use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.